I'm here to share with you a great opportunity which is called MTurk. Now, MTurk is short for Mechanical Turk. Mechanical Turk is on an Amazon platform and it offers you many opportunities to complete various tasks. These tasks are called HITs. HITs is short for Human Interaction Tasks. Some of these HITs will include completing surveys, doing text reviews, answering questions, focus groups, analysis data, matching products, auditing. You'll be able to submit some short videos, some pictures, and much, much more. So we're going to start MTurks for Workers. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up an incognito window. And we're going to key in MTurk. Not MTurk money, but just MTurk. Okay. Amazon Mechanical Turk. That's what we want. Now there's going to be two options. One is going to be for a requester and one will be for a worker. This is if you want to sign in as a requester and you already have an account. But what we're going to do is get started with an Amazon Mechanical Turk. Here, as I said, one is a requester. You can create a requester account or a worker account. A requester account is someone on the other side which need help doing something. So say, for example, you needed someone to make posts for you. You would go in and you would create you a requester account. But here we want to create a money-making account. So we're going to click on Create. And here is where you'll go in down here to create your Amazon account. If you already have an account, you'll log in here. So, as usual, you'll do the regular thing, keying in your name, email address, and whatnot. Once you have completed this, they'll send you an email, and you will click on the email and verify your account. So I'm going to close this window out because I already have a window open for a regular Amazon Turk account. Now this is a regular Amazon Turk account, which I've already logged into. Over here, this is where your hits are, which all of these located down here are hits. This right here will tell you how many hits are available. Right now, there's 1,193. Over here, this is the name of the requester. This is the title of the hit. This tells you how many hits are available. This here tells you the amount per hit. This tells you when this was created. This right here allows you to preview it before you accept it. And this here is if you want to accept the actual hit. Now let me start off by saying, once you start, you'll be getting a lot of hits that are either anywhere from 1 cent, maybe 8 cents, 10 cents, 20 cents, whatnot, because you're just starting. The key to getting up to a good level is to at least get over 100 hits. Once you have reached over 100 hits, you'll have a lot more high-paying hits that are available to you. So here's a hit here called Making Choices, which is 3 minutes, and it's 36 cents. There's 66 available hits, and this was posted 12 hours ago. Let's go through here first to see what other hits are here. For example, here's a hit here, and they have many of these such hits, and usually these hits are after you have completed at least 100 hits. I found that once you complete 100 hits, you have another set of hits that are available to you, which are higher paying. Once you have created at least 500 hits, you have another set of hits that are available to you that are higher paying hits. Now this is a $6 hit. This was created 7 hours ago. In order to qualify for these, some of these that you have not qualified for, you just gently hit qualify and you request qualification for that particular hit. Okay. There's another $6 one. There's another $6 one. Here's one for $1. There's another $6 hit. Let's go back up to this one here that's already available. It says making choices, which is only 3 minutes. Let's accept and work. So for this particular hit, of course, the reward is 36 cents. And that's another thing you need to know. A lot of times when it says 36 cents, sometimes they will give you options to provide feedback or go a little further into the survey. So a 36-cent survey can sometimes turn into either a 50-cent survey or a dollar survey. So although it says 36 cents here, it could be much more. So what we're going to go down and do here is read the survey. And that tells you you must take this survey on a computer with a keyboard, because some of the surveys, they need you to take them on your mobile device. So you want to read them thoroughly. And another very important thing is that at certain times they have checkpoints, meaning that you need to read very thoroughly, because they may have something that asks you to click on a certain option, and therefore you need to click on the correct option in order to complete the survey. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this in a new link. And the reason I'm opening that in a new link is because sometimes here is your worker ID here. They'll ask you to input your worker ID. So please confirm that you are not a robot. Here it says, please leave this text box blank and then press next. Welcome to the survey. Here I need to make sure that my sound and audio features are enabled as to take this survey. In the attention check, you will be asked to listen to audio clips and follow instructions. Sound must be enabled for this question. Please click on the triangle button and follow the instructions.
In the space below, please type the word family, F-A-M-I-L-Y.
Okay, this here usually tells you all about the type of survey that you'll take. So you're going to want to read this. It tells you the time that is involved in taking this survey. It tells you the risk and the benefits. It tells you the payment. It gives you your rights. It provides contact information. It then asks for your consent. In this study, you will imagine receiving various recommendations for products and services. You will then make choices. Sometimes you take recommendations and sometimes you do not. Please answer each question thoroughly. There are no right or wrong answers. Here, you're going to imagine that you are looking for a recommendation for a pair of sustainable shoes, and you receive the following. I recommend Rothy's shoes. Of the following options, which brand of shoes are you most likely to choose? Imagine that you're looking for sparkling water. Imagine you are looking for stemless wine glasses. Imagine you're looking for facial moisturizer. Thank you for participating in this survey. So now you'll find your demographic questions. Your gender, you're going to tell how old you are. Do you have any comments about this survey? I always answer questions like this because sometimes they will give you extra credit for answering those questions. So shortly you'll see, you usually see either a passcode here. Since there's no passcode, what you'll do is you'll copy that link and you'll place that link, the URL here. You will submit it and here is your code. So what we're going to do with that code is we're going to copy that. We're going to go back to our main window. We'll go down here and we'll put our secret key, which is the code we just copied, into here, and we will submit. And it is now processing. As you see up here, reward goal was 36 cents. So you have now completed your first survey.